Hi friends! So this week we've been reading The Mitten by Jan Brett, and we've been studying a little bit about the animals that are in the story. In this story, a little boy loses his mitten and all of these forest creatures come and try to fit inside the mitten. And today you're going to be writing about your favorite animal from the story. I'm going to read you some information about the badger. If you pick the badger, you'll definitely want to listen to hear all of these details and information about the badger. This is a picture of a badger. Can you think about maybe another animal he looks similar to? It says, this is a badger. There are 11 different species or kinds of badgers around the world. A badger is another animal that loves to dig. A badger uses its short legs for digging underground burrows. It uses its burrow to sleep in and raise its young. Badgers make sure to keep their burrows neat and tidy. Badgers also get their food from digging. They love to eat worms, insects, some reptiles, and amphibians such as frogs. Badgers are nocturnal. That's an important word, nocturnal. That means that they sleep during the day and they come out at night. Although badgers have a great sense of smell, they cannot see very well with their very small eyes. Compare a badger with a mole. How are they the same? So a mole also cannot see very well, but is able to hear really nicely. So that's the badger. Now I want you to write in your journal all the way to the bottom of the page. Make sure that your picture has lots of details and labels. I cannot wait to read your writing.